What is up, guys? Are you looking for a game-changing 5G flagship in 2026? Well, hold everything, because today we are talking about a phone that is going to make your jaw drop and then make your tech-loving heart explode with excitement. We are looking at a 300-megapixel DSLR level camera, a massive 7500 mAh monster battery, and all of this from a brand we've all trusted for decades. That's right, the legend is back. This is the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. If you thought Nokia was a thing of the past, the next few minutes are going to completely flip your perspective. Stay tuned for the full specs, the leaked features, and a price tag that is absolutely wild. Design and display. First off, let's talk about the look and that display. One glance at this screen and you'll be hooked. We're looking at a 6.85-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED panel running at a butter-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're grinding on high-end mobile games or streaming 8K cinematic content, the experience is going to be on another level. And since it's a Nokia, they aren't playing around with durability. It features an in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP69 rating, which means it basically laughs at water and dust, and it's topped off with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. That classic, legendary Nokia toughness has officially returned in a premium, ultra-slim body. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the part where this phone leaves the competition in the dust, the camera. On the back, we have a triple lens setup, but the star of the show is a massive 300-megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 300 megapixels. The level of detail here is so insane that you could zoom in and practically count the eyelashes on a portrait. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 150-degree field of view, and an 8-megapixel periscope lens that gives you 100x hybrid zoom. You could be sitting in the back row of a stadium and still see the sweat on the players' faces. For the creators, the 50-megapixel front camera supports 4K video recording, making every shot instant Instagram gold. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is an absolute beast. It's powered by the world's most powerful mobile processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, this chip isn't just lightning fast, it's incredibly battery efficient. You're looking at options for 12GB or 16GB of RAM paired with up to 512GB of UFS 5.0 storage. High-end gaming, 4K video editing, or heavy multitaskings, it all runs like a hot knife through butter. Best of all, it comes with Nokia's own Flow UI based on the latest Android 17, giving you a clean, bloatware-free experience that feels incredibly snappy. Battery life. They named it the Oxygen because this battery life will keep your tech life breathing forever. It packs a 7500 mAh monster battery. For gamers and travelers, this is a total dream come true. And when you finally do need to plug in, the box includes a 125-watt superfast charger. The company claims you can charge for just 15 minutes and be set for the entire day. Plus, it fully supports 50-watt fast wireless charging for those who want to ditch the cables. Price and launch date. So, let's talk about the question everyone is asking, the price. Despite these insane flagship specs, Nokia is being incredibly aggressive with the numbers. Leaks suggest the starting price will land somewhere between $750 and $850. As for the launch, get ready, this phone is expected to hit the market by the end of September 2026, with pre-orders likely starting in the first week of October. So, what do you think? Can the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G actually take the air out of the room for the other tech giants? Are you hyped for a 300-megapixel camera and that massive battery? Drop a comment below and let me know if this is going to be your next upgrade.